Assalamu alaikum, Ahmed here. Today we will be getting back to our March's assignment. If you open your page number 7 and question number 12 of the exercise, I thought it needed to be explained, so we will be doing this question first. It says the numbers are written in the expanded form and write them into the original form. So I have written the first question here like 500,000, 70,000, 7,900, 0 and 4. And I have already made a key here to help you guys to understand it better. If you don't understand this question, draw this key like starting from 0, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 and up to million on your rough pages, and write these values under this key, and it will be much easier than after that. Like the first ones, the value under ones is 4, tens are 0, and the value at the 100, because we have 900, so we have to write 9 under h. And for the 1000 we have the figure of 7 here, and for 10,000 we have 70,000, so we will be writing 7 here too. And for the 100,000 we have 5 here, and if we write these values combined together, we will get 577,904. So the value becomes 577,904. Similarly, the other value here could be written as 9,500,000, 539,000, 30,000 from here and 9,000 from here, and 810 and 4 makes 14, and 814. So solve the questions, similar questions given on the page number 12 here on these are the questions. There are 3 of them. Solve them on your neat notebooks, and tomorrow I will be there for some other helpful video to help you with other problems. Until then, Allah Hafiz.